Now I will demonstrate how to enter sleep mode. We can see that the power indicator light is steadily blue. Now, we press the power button briefly, we can enter sleep mode, and the PC will enter a low power state. Then we can see that the power indicator light turns into a breathing light. In sleep mode, we can wake up the PC by pressing the power button once again for a short time. There is another way to enter sleep mode. Click the Win key, then click the power key, and click sleep key to enter sleep mode. If you encounter a situation where the power indicator light is on but the screen shows nothing, you can press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the power indicator light goes off to shut down the PC. Then you can start the PC normally. Okay, let me demonstrate how to turn on hibernate mode. Right-click the Win key, then click Terminal to enter. Write this and press Enter to confirm. Then enter the control panel interface. Power options. Then click Choose what the power buttons do to enter. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable to allow changing the settings. Finally, check Hibernate. You can see the Hibernate option now. In the end, you may want to know the difference between sleep mode and hibernate mode. Sleep mode is when the computer stands by with low power consumption, while hibernation mode is a state where the computer is shut down with temporary storage. That's all for this video. Thank you for choosing HIGOLE.